Hi guys, this is Kailash Chandra Pathak. I am again in front of you. Today in morning session you have seen what is bases and their physical properties. Now in this module you will learn about classification of bases and their chemical properties. So let's start. Listen to me carefully and look here. So classification of bases. Bases are two types. First is strong base. Strong base, and second one is weak base. Weak base. So first one is strong base. Strong base means the base which dissociates completely into aqueous solution, that means to give maximum number of OH minus ion, or we can say higher concentration of OH minus ion into aqueous medium. Just like example of strong bases, NaOH, KOH, etc. And weak base, the base which is dissociate but partially dissociate into aqueous medium, that means lower concentration of hydroxide ion. Those bases which give lower concentration of hydroxide into aqueous medium known as weak base. Just like an example, calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, etc. So sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide are strong base, calcium hydroxide and magnesium hydroxide are weak base. So this is the classification of bases on the terms of concentration of hydroxide ions. Hydroxide ions, that means जिन बेसिस में नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन वाटर के अंदर सबसे ज्यादा होंगे उनको कहते हैं हम लोग स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस, और ऐसे बेस जो नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन कम देते हैं वाटर के अंदर उनको हम लोग कहते हैं क्या, वीक बेस. सो दिस इज द क्लासिफिकेशन. नेक्स्ट, केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ बेसिस. सो केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ basis. So first property, reaction of base with metals. Reaction of base with metals. So listen to me carefully. When base react with metals to form salt and give hydrogen gas, just like base plus metal to give salt and liberate hydrogen gas. Just example, sodium hydroxide is a base and metal, example of metal is zinc, to give Na2 ZnO2 plus hydrogen gas. This salt is called sodium zincate. Sodium zincate. ये रिएक्शन लैब में अगर हम लोग कर रहे हैं तो कैसे हम लोग प्रूव कर रहे हैं कि हाइड्रोजन गैस लिबरेट हो रही है. तो व्हेन वी ऐड जिंक ग्रेनुलेट, जिंक के कुछ टुकड़ों को हम लोग अगर जैसे हम लोग एक्वा सोल्यूशन, सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड के एक्वा सोल्यूशन में हम लोग अगर मिक्स करेंगे तो एक गैस लिबरेट होती है, और गैस जैसी लिबरेट होगी तो उसके पास अगर एक बर्निंग, अगर हम लोग मैचस्टिक को ले जाएं, मैचस्टिक को अगर ले जाएंगे तो जो मैचस्टिक है वो पॉपअप साउंड के साथ, जो गैस निकल रही है वो पॉपअप साउंड के साथ बर्न होती है. सो वी कैन से दिस इज हाइड्रोजन गैस. देन सेकेंड प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ बेस. Reaction with acid. When base react with acid to give salt and water, it is also called neutralization reaction. Because in this reaction base neutralize the acid, or we can say acid neutralized by base. So base plus acid to give salt and water. Just example, NaOH, sodium hydroxide plus acid, hydrochloric acid to form NaCl, sodium chloride plus to form water. So this is a neutralized product. This is called sodium chloride, salt solution of sodium chloride. So this reaction is also called neutralization reaction. And third property of base, reaction with, that means base reaction with non-metal oxide. Here we have only three chemical properties of bases. Reaction with non-metal oxide. When base react with non-metal oxide, it gives salt and hydrogen gas. Sorry, water. So base react with non-metal oxide, that means non-metal oxide to give salt and water. Just example, CaOH whole twice, calcium hydroxide, this is also called slaked lime, and non-metallic oxide is carbon dioxide, and react with carbon dioxide, it gives calcium carbonate. This is called Sangmarmar or calcium carbonate or limestone also, and gives water. So this is the last third chemical reactions of bases. So this is the chemical properties of bases. That's all. Thank you.